So what is the last stage of using a mortgage broker and how do they get paid? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time at the channel, my name is Glenn. I'm a property investor and a qualified mortgage broker. My channel covers off everything to do with property, investment and finance. And if you feel this is something that you'd like to follow and be interested in, then don't forget to send us a like, and it'd be great if you can smash that subscribe button for regular updates. Okay, so watch to the end of the video and I'll show you the last few stages of what you need to do when using a mortgage broker and what they will do for you, and also how they get paid. Don't forget to check out episode 1 and episode 2. This will complete the story of the 3 stages of using a mortgage broker. Okay, so stage 3. Your mortgage application has been submitted, the underwriters have checked and approved, property you're buying has valued up for the price that you're paying for it, and you get something called a mortgage offer. Now, a mortgage offer is a document from the bank or building society you're using, and this basically evidence that they will lend you the money to buy that property. Now, a mortgage offer can expire as well, but generally the range is for 3 to 6 months until the expiry date. This allows enough time in general for a transaction of a house purchase to go through. This is also the same for a remortgage. So the solicitor gets a copy of that mortgage offer. They then do all their last checks, make sure any searches that have come back are okay, any inquiries between the two parties have been checked, and these are all things that the solicitor will go through with you. You'll then agree an exchange date and you'll agree a completion date, and that is when you get the keys to the property. On completion, the mortgage broker will get paid a small percentage of the amount of the mortgage that you have borrowed. This will be shown on the key facts illustration documentation or the ESIS document, depending on when you're watching this video. Now, this will also be within your mortgage offer documentation, so you will see an amount that will be paid to your mortgage broker. Please be aware the amount that's shown isn't always the full amount that the broker will receive. Sometimes they do receive a small percentage of that actual amount. So this shows that it's an incentive for the mortgage broker to get this through, because not only with delivering a good customer service, they also get paid the majority at the end of the transaction. So I hope you found this series of 3 videos on what a mortgage broker does really helpful for you in your journey. If you've liked what you've seen, send us a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.